Find the limit of rational functions. Let us get the limit of 2x squared minus 3 divided by 8 minus x as x approaches 3. So we have a theorem for this. So what we do is we just evaluate the rational function when x is equal to 3. And what is that equal to? So this is direct substitution. What is that equal to? That is 2 times 9 minus 3 divided by 5. This one is 18. And then minus 3, that's 15, divided by 5, that is 3. Find the limit of 4x squared minus x minus 2 divided by x cubed plus 4 as x approaches negative 2. Okay, so let us pay attention to this. Negative 2 squared is 4. 4 times 4 is 16. Minus negative 2 is plus 2. Okay, and then the limit of a constant term is just the constant. This one is negative 8. And then plus 4 is negative 4. So this is equal to 16 divided by negative 4, which is negative 4. Find the limit of 3 times x squared plus 8 times x plus 4 divided by x plus 2 as x approaches negative 2. Well, this one looks like this will give us an indeterminate form. Okay, so let us see. So what is f of negative 2 and g of negative 2? So this one, 3 times negative 2 squared plus 8 times negative 2 plus 4. And our denominator, that is negative 2 plus 2, that is 0. But what about the numerator? What is that equal to? 12 minus 16 is negative 4. Plus 4 is 0. So this is 0 over 0. So this is an indeterminate form. So do not rush into conclusion that this is equal to 0. Do not rush into conclusion that this is equal to 1. So indeterminate, what that means is you cannot yet tell the limit of this function as x approaches negative 2. So this is what I will do. I will produce a factoring, okay? I will produce a factoring for 3x squared plus 8x plus 4. And who knows? Maybe x plus 2 gets cancelled. But in all honesty, right now, just by looking at it, I don't know the factoring. I will do a lot of trial and error just to get the factoring of 3x squared plus 8x plus 4. But you know that if you want to get the factoring, okay, what you do is you divide 3x squared plus 8x plus 4 by x plus 2. Okay, so let us practice your long division. Okay, so be careful with your signs here, okay? Be careful. This is minus. So this one minus 3x squared is 0. 8x minus 2x. No, 8x minus 6x is, what is that? That is positive 2x. 4 minus 0 is just 4. 2x divided by x is 2. And then 2 times x is 2x. And then 2 times 2 is 4. And then we subtract, this is 0. So what this means is we can write our function f of x over g of x as 3x plus 2 times x plus 2 and then divided by x plus 2. So it has a common factor, x plus 2, and x plus 2 divided by x plus 2 is just equal to 1. So our limit now is the limit of 3x plus 2 as x approaches negative 2. So this is negative 6 plus 2 is negative 4. Find the limit of x squared minus 7x plus 12 divided by x minus 3. Nine minus 21, okay, 9 minus 21 is negative 12, and then plus 12 is 0, and then 3 minus 3 is 0. So this is again an indeterminate form. So what do we do? Let us produce a factoring for x squared minus 7x plus 12. Now this one is easy. So we are sure that the first terms of your factors is going to be x. And what should be our choice for the factors of 12? So that when we add those factors, it will give us a sum of negative 7. Well, that is easy. That is just negative 4 and negative 3. So our f of x over g of x is equal to this. And then divided by x minus 3. X minus 3 divided by x minus 3 is equal to 1. So we are just left with x minus 4. So what is the limit of x minus 4 as x approaches 3? So that is just 3 minus 4. That is just equal to negative 1. How about this one? Find the limit of 2 times x cubed minus 5 times x squared minus 2x plus 8 divided by x minus 2. Well, it looks like this will give us again another indeterminate form because 2 minus 2 is 0. But what about the numerator? Okay. Okay, so let us see. So this one becomes 16, okay? Minus 20 minus 4 plus 8. What is that equal to? So this one is negative 24, and this one is positive 24. So 24 minus 24 is just equal to 0, and this one is 0. The denominator is 0. So again, this is an indeterminate form. So what do we do? Well, it looks like we have to do again another long division. So this is minus, okay? So we will get the difference. Pay attention to the signs. So 2x cubed minus 2x cubed is just 0. Now look at this. Negative 5x squared minus negative 4x squared. So that is equal to negative x squared. So that becomes negative 5x squared plus 4x squared. And then we just bring down all these terms. Negative x squared divided by x is negative x. Negative x times x is negative x squared. Negative x times negative 2 is positive 2x. So this one is just 0. Okay, so we are getting the difference. Okay, that is the operation here. It's minus. So negative 2x minus 2x is negative 4x. And we just bring down this term. Negative 4x divided by x is negative 4. And then we multiply it back. Negative 4 times negative 2 is positive 8. We get the difference, that is 0. So we have an exact factoring for our numerator. Divided by x minus 2. This is equal to, okay, the factoring of our numerator is 2x squared minus x minus 4 times x minus 2. And then divided by x minus 2. So x minus 2 divided by x minus 2 is just equal to 1. So we are left here with 2x squared minus x minus 4. So where does this lead us? Well, that means that the limit of our function, okay, f of x over g of x, as x approaches 2, okay, when we did the first step of finding the limit, we saw that this is an indeterminate form. But we discovered that it has a common factor. The numerator and the denominator has a common factor, x minus 2. And so we are left with this. The limit of 2x squared minus x minus 4 as x approaches 2. And what is that equal to? 2 times 4 is 8. Minus 2 is 6. Minus 4 is 2.